This is the Chinducs Tilting Bratt Pan. Let's take a general look at the construction of this product. When you receive the product, you will see a transportation support brackets underneath the product, and you can remove this brackets once the product is properly installed in its designated location. The Chinducs Tilting Bratt Pan is made of high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel. You can also choose SUS 316 stainless steel for better corrosion resistance. The product is equipped with a double-layered lid to provide better heat retention. The product is equipped with a motorized tilting function with a maximum tilt angle of over 90 degrees. It can pour out the food completely. It is important to note that the lid must be in the open position before operating the pan tilt to avoid possible knocks. Let's take a look at the control panel layout. Turn the red power button to energize the product. The digital display will show 4 short dashes, which indicates that the device is in standby mode. Then press the on-off button to turn the device on. The device will enter the heating state by default, and you can adjust the heat level by using the plus and minus buttons next to the screen. There are 6 levels in total. Ensure the lid is open before using the tilting function. Turn the tilting knob to control the tilt and return of the pan. When the pan is tilted, the product will stop heating automatically. Press the mode button to switch to the timer mode. When the timer indicator light is on, the device has entered timer mode. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the countdown time you want. After setting the desired time, press the confirm button to start the timer. The display will alternate between showing the heating level and the remaining time. When the timer expires, the device will stop heating and beep. Then the device will automatically turn off and enter standby mode. You can also reset the timer by turning the device off and on again. Press the mode button to switch to reservation mode. The display will show the current time. Press the plus and minus buttons to adjust to the time you want the heating to start. Press the confirm button, and then press the on-off button to turn off the heating. The device will automatically turn on and start heating at your scheduled time. If you want to cancel the reservation, turn the device on and switch to the reservation function again, and press the confirm button. Switching to the clock mode to calibrate the time enables better use of the scheduled mode. When your cooking is finished, push the red button, and the device shuts down and powers off. This button is also the emergency stop button.